More than 4.8 million cases, 317,000 deaths, and over 213 countries affected. COVID-19 has turned our world upside down. A virus that originated in Wuhan, China, is now a global pandemic, profoundly impacting human capital and businesses, including lives, learning, basic well-being, and future productivity. Economies have crashed as people have been confined to their homes. And health workers across the world are trying their best to stop the spread of the infection. Nations across the globe are making unprecedented efforts to take care of their people, right from the distribution of food to providing expert health care facilities. At times like these, it becomes a moral obligation for every global citizen to rise to the occasion and help the communities that sustain them. To Aries Group, social responsibility has been an integral part of our ethos. The company's growth throughout the years has been through the immense support of the communities that we work in, and hence we have always believed in giving back in whatever way we can. The organization and our people have always been at the forefront to deliver prompt and effective support to those around us in times of need, be it natural or man-made disasters. From providing help in the form of men and equipments to aid rescue operations during floods in the Indian state of Kerala in 2018, to initiating a one-day salary challenge to support the victims of the 2015 Nepal earthquake, Aries has been an active stakeholder in challenging times. As the world is reeling under the grip of the COVID-19 pandemic, Aries Group companies all around the world have been assisting the governments and communities in every way possible. In India, as a strict nationwide lockdown has been instituted to stop the spread of the virus, Aries Group CEO Dr. Sohind Roy announced his wholehearted support to his native land to cope through the hard times. Further to his declaration, Aries announced donation of 10 ventilators to the state of Kerala, with 2 already delivered and the rest about to be. Aries initiated a Support a Family drive to support 2,000 needy families, where the company's employees are trying to support one poor family in their neighborhoods. As part of the company's family help scheme, the group provided around 1,800 needy families with food through the public kitchen. Over 5 tons of rice and other essentials were delivered to the Member of Parliament of Idukki for supporting the unprivileged families in the district. Aries Group also delivered 1,000 masks to the Kerala police personnel, and in addition has promised monetary backup to fund the in-house masks made by the battalion. In addition to the company's efforts, Dr. Roy has personally come forward and set aside his 9,000 square feet house at Deshamangalam, Kerala to convert it to isolation wards for the state in case any emergency arrives. Similar support initiatives were organized at the Aries head office in the Middle East with the support of the Indian Association of Sharjah. Community members who were stranded in the country due to the travel restrictions and loss of livelihoods were offered relief materials. Aries Group staff personally went to deliver almost 4 tons of food essentials including rice, wheat, oil and pulses etc. in large amounts. The wholehearted participation and support from every member of Aries family is greatly appreciated by the company. The times are hard, but our will is strong. Aries Group salutes all the frontline warriors who are working day and night to keep the community safe from the pandemic. We are gratified to have been able to do whatever we can to support the humanity in these testing times. As the world gears up to withstand the onslaught of an invisible enemy, we invoke the ancient prayer, Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. May all beings everywhere be free and happy, and may our thoughts, words and actions contribute in some way to that happiness and well-being of all.